everyone, welcome back to class. We are doing percentage chapter. What we are doing? Percentage chapter. In this chapter, today we will teach you about what? Problem solving through model method. This is a word problem, and this problem you have to solve by showing a model. Understood? So number one question, it is given here that there are 50 kg of rice in a sack. First you read that question and you understand with that question what it is saying there. Okay, number one question, it is given that the rice, there are 50 kg of rice in a sack and 30 kg rice is sold. How much rice is sold? 30 kg rice is sold. What percentage of the sack of the rice is sold? What percentage of the sack of the rice is sold? So in this question what you are seeing that one sack is there. That sack is full of rice. How much rice is there? 50 kg rice. Okay, 50 kg rice is in one sack, and on that 50 kg 30 kg rice was sold. Understood? 30 kg rice is sold. Now what you have to take out, what percentage of the sack of rice sold? What percentage of the rice sold there? Okay, so according to the question, first we will solve it in method 1. So in method 1 what you are seeing that 30 by 50, it is given 30 kg and 50 kg, total 50 kg is there and 30 kg rice is sold. So 30 by 50 kg, that means 3 by 5. Okay, total how much quantity is there? Total quantity 100%. Total quantity is 100%. So you will divide into a 5 equal part. What you are seeing that 100% means 5 equal part, it is shown here. In this 5 equal part, what you are seeing that 5 equal part, so whole part is here 100%, and you have to take out this much. That means percentage of this 30%. Okay, so whole equal to how much? 100%, and you have to take out rice 30%. Understood? 30, this much, it is 30 kg sold. So this 3 here you have to take out the how much percent rice is sold here. So you will see that it is 30 by 50, that means 3 by 5, 0 0 will cut, 3 by 5. So 5 part equal to how much? I have told you, this each part 20 20, this means 5 part is 100. So 5 part equal to 100. That means 1 part equal to how much? 1 part equal to 100 by 5. Understood? So 5 part equal to 100. That means 1 part equal to how much? 100 by 5. Okay? 5 part equal to 100%. So 1 part equal to 100 by 5%. Understood? And here what is, if you will cut, then how much you will get? You will get here 20%. 5 table this will be cut, you are getting 20%. Then 3 part, here 3 part is there. 3 part you have to take out the 3 part. So you got here that 1 part is 20%. So 3 part, that means this 3 you have to multiply with 20%. When you will 3 you will multiply by 20%. What answer you are getting here? 60%. What answer you are getting? 60%. So 30 by 50 equal to what will be the answer? 60%. So 60% of sack of rice is sold. Understood? How much rice is sold in percentage? 60% of sack of rice is sold. Clear? Now in method 2, what is given there? Question, you are knowing that the 50 kg of rice is there in sack and that 30 kg rice is sold. So you have to take out the percentage of the sack of rice sold. So method 2, what you are seeing here, in this method 2, it is shown here that quantity of rice in the sack. Quantity of rice in the sack. How much quantity it is having? 50 kg. Understood? Quantity of rice in the sack, that I have told you in question, it is said that 50 kg quantity is there in sack. Quantity of rice sold. This is means quantity, okay? Quantity of rice sold. How much quantity rice sold? 30 kg. Okay, how much quantity sold? 30 kg. Fraction of rice sold. What will be the fraction of rice sold? 30 by 50. Okay, what will be the fraction? 30 by 50. Now, percentage of rice sold. Percentage of rice sold. So, 30 by 50 into 100. What will be the percentage of rice sold? 30 by 50 into 100. So you will cut 0, 0, it will cut. In 5 table it will go 2. Then 30 2s are 60%. How much rice is sold? 60%. Clear it is? So I have shown you two methods. This is the method 1 and this is the method 2. So first what you have to do, you have to read that question nicely. Whatever question is given to you, you will read question and you try to understand that what it is saying in that question. According to that, you will solve this problem. And this problem, how you will solve? You will solve the problem through a model method. How you will solve? Through the model method. Understood? So what you have seen in the first question? In first question, what I have told you, it is given here that there are 50 kg in a sack, 50 kg of rice in a sack. How much rice is there? 50 kg. In that 50 kg, 30 kg rice is sold. How much rice is sold? 30 kg rice is sold. Okay. So, what percentage of sack of rice sold? What percentage of sack rice sold? So, what I have shown you here, two methods. Number 1 method is here, that you will write 30 by 50, that means 3 by 5. So, you will divide total into a 5 part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Consider as a 100%. In this 30 kg is sold. In 50 kg, 30 kg is sold. So 5 part equal to how much I have written here? 100%. You are seeing with this model that 5 part equal to 100%. That means 1 part you have to take out. So 1 part, what you will do? 100 by 5. When you will divide this 100 by 5%, then you will get the result of 1 part. You have got that 1 part, it is 20%. If 1 part is 20%, then you can take out the 3 part. How? That 3 part equal to 3 into 20. Understood? 3 part equal to 3 into 20. When you will multiply this, what answer you are getting is 60%. What answer you are getting? 60%. So 30 by 50 equal to how much? 60%. Okay. So 60% of sack of rice sold. This is method 1. In method 2, what you are seeing, that quantity of rice in a sack. In the sack, how much? 50 kg. Okay. Quantity of rice sold, how much? 30 kg. Then fraction of rice sold, 30 by 50. Understood? And percentage of rice sold, 30 by 50 into 100. You will cut this one with 5 tables. 0, 0 will cut. 5 table. 2 side will cut. 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. Then how much left here? 2. 32s are 60%. Answer you got? How much? 60%. So it is clear to you all. Today you have learned how to solve a problem by using a model method. Okay. So 2 method I have shown you. Like this way, if any question is given to you, you read that question and after that you solve it. Okay. Today this much only. Thank you to everyone. Next day again I will continue with other topics.